Okay, since everybody is talking about artificial intelligence, I want to talk about aapki intelligence, which is your own intelligence. This hubris around AI, and there is a lot of it, makes you feel like you're invincible. You suddenly have these tools in your hands with which you can achieve the world and you can conquer the world of images, text, analysis, Excel, PowerPoint, everything, right? Which is great. I mean, suddenly there is a intelligence at work, or intellect at work, which aids you instead of having to hire an intern, for sure, right? But what is happening is this is giving us this false oxytocin and dopamine hits, right? Which is the rat effect, right? You keep hitting the dopamine, etc. And exactly what a like or a share used to give us earlier is happening to us with every new tool that's coming in the market. And 99% of them could be shit, but you're just excited about, oh, now I have this armory at disposal. But it's like there are 100 types of pens, but it doesn't matter what pen it is if you don't know how to write. And that's exactly what's happening with tech right now, especially AI. It's great to meet people who are working on it. I'm working on it. I have been working in tech forever. But I think a lot more. You're looking for depth. You're looking for people who have massive micro insights, who are very, very focused and laser thin in what they're trying to achieve with the tech that's available. Because in the world of DIY, and I can do it myself, what do you do really, really matters, and why are you doing it? Because that sliver has to last you a very long time, and the long time could be anything. I mean, time is just a construct, just like everything else. Otherwise, what's happening is you're very excited about your own idea and your own things, thinking that I have access to this, that, etc. But access to mediocre does not make you great. And dopamine can be a prison disguised as a paradise, because you get addicted to it. So there is a lot of addictive behavior around now. I can achieve the world and there is everything at my disposal, but is it really real? Because just because you have access to it doesn't mean you're using it. A consumer is not a creator. So my sense is that unless you're creating and building in those trenches day by day, the nuance is missed. The intelligence is limited or borrowed or copied or a me too. So look for these things yourself and trust your own intelligence, your lived reality, your own life experience, your own version of what tech can do, because you can humanize tech. Just like you embody your mantras and your gods within you, like people who worship Hanuman have Hanuman inside them. So if you're such a worshipper of tech, the tech should be inside you. It shouldn't be so visible. What is the need to make it so visible? Don't make it so visible. It should be invisible, like electricity. About time, no? Aapki intelligence, not AI, artificial intelligence.